Hey, Gio here from besteverywhere.me, repping the B spot.
And Di here, and we're coming to you from Humanatease Fitness and Wellness Center in Brooklyn, and today we're going to be going over reaching muscular failure.
What exactly is muscular failure, and why is it important?
Well, Gio, muscular failure is a point in the exercise where you can no longer commence motion in proper form. And this is important because you're guaranteeing that you're working to 100% intensity, because when you do multiple sets, it's guesswork.
Yeah, you can't really quantify the intensity with reps, but reps do work, right?
Well, yeah, they do work, Gio, but if you want more efficiency in your workouts, and you know we're all about efficiency, then muscular failure is the way to go.
I mean, I'm on this machine, and it burns. So how do I know when I'm reaching muscular failure?
Try not to get the burning sensation confused with you reaching muscular failure. You'll know that you reach muscular failure when you just cannot commence the motion in proper form. So make sure that you continue to move those repetitions until you just can no longer move at all.
I think this is it, Di. I think this is it. I can't let this
Okay, pull
up.
into the handles. You should be able to get another inch, Gio. Try it, try it. There it is. Yeah, so just keep trying to push into that. Try to push forward just another inch. You could probably get another inch. All right, so that's failure. That's it.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another fitness tutorial. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to post below.
And if you want to check out more of our fitness tutorials, be sure to go to the B spot at besteverywhere.me.